how can we make use of tofu, sesame, and scallion? It is the creamy soup without cream. This soup is filling, vegetarian, and good for skin. Very smooth texture and delicious. It could refresh your soul too. Let's make a vegan creamy soup. Soak the dry mushrooms. Without oil, fry the white sesame until it turns golden. Slice the long scallion. Finely chop the garlic. Cut the tofu into cubes. Slice the soaked mushroom. Season with soy sauce, a pinch of sugar, and sesame oil. Heat the oil. Fry the scallion slice and ground garlic. Fry the ingredients thoroughly. It will give the soup soft, sweet taste. Add in the mushroom slices, Shimeji mushroom, and oyster mushroom. Sprinkle some Chinese yellow wine. Add in the soaking water of mushroom. Now add in water. Bring it to the boil until the fragrance and the sweetness comes out. Simmer for 5 minutes. Take out half of the soup, set aside. Put the fried sesame to the blender. Add in 3 fourths of the tofu. Add in the reserved soup. Blend it well until smooth. The ideal blender should be the one with high speed and strong powder model. It is the best if all the sesame are finely blended and need not sieve. When it is done, put it into the remaining soup. Simmer it until hot, but don't bring it to the boil. Otherwise, the tofu and water will be separated and affect the smoothie texture. Season with salt and sesame oil. Add in the rest of the tofu. Remember, just simmer until it is hot without boiling. This is a rich mushroom soup with very special ingredients and cooking method. Using the brand sesame and tofu to create a creamy texture instead of high-calorie cream, with the light fragrance of sesame oil. It is a comfort food good for your body. Let's try it. As always said, simple is always the best. It is also a very good diet food too.